Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto koro owacho ni japuonjre ka japuonjre ma oyudo thuolo mar somo e mbalariany kata kuonde tiegruok madiere ibiro chulne omenda ma sirkal keto ne tenge e yo maonge ng'ikruok. Ruto owacho ni maendi en achiel kuom okenge ma oketo e migawo mar somo mar rieyo chenro mag somo mamalo. Ne olose kar jot mare kinde romo mar weche dongruok.
We tried the differentiated model. I think the vice chancellors here know it didn't work because it made most of our universities almost close down. Because while we promised 80% funding, we went down to 40%, and most universities suffered. We have worked on what we thought was equity, where we said parents will contribute a small portion, we will give a portion of loan, we will give a portion of scholarship. That creates equity, but it's not good enough. Now we are moving to universal under the amendments we have taken to Parliament. So going forward, any university, any student, so long as they have passed their exam and they have been placed in a college or a university, each one of them will get full funding for their higher education.